Welcome back to SpadeCardMagic. Today I'm going to show you a really easy single card production. So before I begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, so here's what the card production looks like. Alright, to do this trick, all you need is just one card. And to start off with it, all you need to do is keep it in a palm position like so. And to do a palm correctly, you don't want to crunch down with all four fingers like this. You want to just squeeze with the pad of your thumb and your pinky. So that'll look like this. I can have these three fingers free and grab it like that, but just use these three fingers as cover. And now once you get the card palmed like so, you can bring up your hand so the spectator only sees your hand, the back of your hand, and not the palmed card. So just slowly bring it up. And now here's where the production comes in. So you want to practice this without the card first. You want to pretend you have a palm card like this, and then pull it back just like that with your pinky. And that's all you want to do here. So let's say I have a card palmed like this, and then with just my pinky, I want to pull it back like so. And you can kind of push it, but you'd mainly just want to practice pulling it back with your pinky. So like this. And then you pull it back, and you want to pull it back until you hear it like pop. So like that. Or until you noticeably feel it just here, and you don't feel any pressure here. So now once you have this huge hole, you want to put your thumb in it like so. And then you want to grab with your index finger. And then you want to grab here and release pressure with your pinky. And release pressure with your thumb. So it'll fling out. And now don't worry, it won't mess up your cards because you're just going to do this quickly. And now a good way to do this production is once you have it like this, you get ready and you hold your hand up like so. And then you reveal it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on SpadeCardMagic.